Hey guys, what's up? So Twitch top of strategies 5, 11, 12, and 13 up to 13.7. The first tree is called Wasabi, and basically it's minimalist clipboard manager. So basically, when you guys copy stuff, you guys can have like basically a clipboard of all like your copied sites or text or whatever, and you can just basically have all of them there. So if you like to copy a lot, let's say you like to copy a lot of links for like your videos or copy a lot of things, you can have them all stored instead of just having to do one at a time. They all be stored in one place. This tree is called Signal Reborn, and basically it just tells you where the towers are, like where your cell towers are, and tells you some also additional information right here. As you can see, update, posts, and fits file permissions. One of my favorite tweets on the list is called Edit Settings. The only thing bad about this tweak is that when you download it on iOS 12 and iOS 13, it's going to say like preference, has failed loading the preference bundle. If you have the right tweaks installed, it's like preference loader, like Rocket Bootstrap, App List. They had those like tweaks installed, and it still gives you that error. It just means that the tweak was not updated for that iOS version. So it just came out, so it's compatible with iOS 13, but it's not. It doesn't work on iOS 12 or 13. They have to fix that that preference bundle error, and then it should be working. But I only get to do what the tweak does. The tweak, what it does is it's a modification to the status application, changing the version number, changing the device model, and changing the colors of the fonts. So you can change like your iOS version, you can change what iPhone you have. It's kind of like an MG alternative. So this is the MG spoof like I was talking about. It's basically a tool that can be used to spoof like your iOS version, your device information. So pretty cool. This is called Lyricify. It's also lyrification. Basically it's just lyrics for your device. So like I said, Lyricify, and basically with Lyricify you can easily view the lyrics to your songs on your lock screen. So pretty cool. This is called Music Lyrics, and basically it's best lyrics music. So also another lyric app. Another lyric tweak for your Spotify, Tidal, Music, Pandora, and lock screen. This is called Intelligent Power, and basically tweak enables low power mode when locking the device. This is called Intelligent Pass 3, and basically allows you to disable your passcode on the lock screen when it's not necessary. But at the same time, it keeps features like Apple Pay and iTunes purchase protected. This is called Sutu or Soto Plus. Called Take Screenshot Haptic or Take Screenshot Aptic. And basically what this tweak does, tiny tweak that gives you smooth haptic feedback when taking screenshots on system wide. Supports iOS 11 to 4. This is called Homepage, and return to the first springboard page after closing an app or going to the lock screen. This tweak is actually a theme called Nirvana. This is called Backgrounder, and basically it allows you to take total control of the background in an iPhone/iOS based device. This is called Nice Bar Ets. Nice Bar Ets free. This is called No Clutter, and all-in-one tweak dedicated hiding all annoyances of iOS. This is called Aereo 2. Color status bar icons from a variety of colors that suits both you and your iOS. This is called Status Weather. Displays current weather conditions in a status bar. Replace the carrier text. This is called Juice, and Parallel Battery Customization. This is called Clay Status Bars, also Clay CC, and a unique status bar design molded with clay. Optimized for developer happiness. This is called Ruby Beta 1. Ruby's micro Siri mode and action Siri redefined. This is called Eris. This is called Alt Daemon. Alt Daemon allows Alt Store to install and refresh apps without a computer. This is called Temporary Background Spawner. Kill app spawn in the background after 30 seconds or as soon as the background activity ceases. This is called YouTube Tools. Essential toolbox for YouTube app. Called Maple 2. Charger animations and banners for iOS 13. This is called Text Time. It displays the time as text and allows users to have these settings right here. So there you go. Display time as text. This is called Charge Animations. Beautiful animations when plugging in your device. This is called Perfect Status Bar. Replace the red or green color around the watch when the screen records video and calls to a point next to the clock. As you can see, it gets rid of the red, green, and blue with dots next to them. This is called Only You, basically with Only You in the lock screen. This is called GPS Faker GPS. and simple GPS faking assistant with more resource features and stability with GPS and route mode, and makes the device GPS anywhere you want. This is called lock screen battery MagSafe. With iOS 14.1 and above, this changes the battery view to new net MagSafe charge animation when device is connected to the power source. This is called Harlem Shake. Harlem Shake is activated bringing a comic meme to your home screen or lock screen. So you see Harlem Shake, activate action to make your icons lock screen for the most popular meme of the moment. This is called Swipe Selections. That's the new version. It moves the text and the cursor, like when you go, moves the cursor when you like slide on the keyboard, like when you text. So it just makes it easier to text people. So you see this is the updated Swipe Selection. It requires 13.0 and above. And you would add text on iOS using gestures on the keyboard to move the cursor and select text. The big thing about this update is that it's now updated iOS 14, I believe. So it should work on iOS 13.0 and above. This is called Homeless. This is called Homeless, and basically called Homeless iOS 11 and 13, an alphabetical list-based app launcher. This is called Translation, compatible with iOS 11 and 13, and basically you can translate, you know, when you hold on, you know, when you go and like hold a text, I guess you can translate any text. This is called Alama Bank, a high jailbreak Alama Bank latest version, so high jailbreak protection for that app. This week it's called 361 multi-account and switch accounts to any apps like Facebook, Twitter, WeChat, WhatsApp, Tinder faster than ever. She's called Silent Maps 13, and basically ever been rocking to your favorite song while driving? Be just there by Siri exactly when the beat drops. It speaks for you. Make your navigation less intrusive by having beeps instead of Siri telling you where to go. So pretty cool. She's called GPS Faker GPS. Change your GPS location on your device. Called iCleaner Pro, the first iOS system cleaner and optimizer, removes unnecessary files from your device, allows you to tweak it to your liking. It's called iWhatsApp, also feeds out basically replies automatically to your WhatsApp conversations or WhatsApp chats. This is called Silica 2 or Silica Pro, and basically all-in-one customization tweak for your AirPods Pro. This is called Titan, and basically true picture-in-picture support for all your favorite apps. This is called Privacy Tools Beta, control how applications access your information. This is called MI Import, and basically this week allows you to do import media directly from the music app. It's called FPS Counter. FPS Counter tool to run on jailbroken iOS devices, with which you can see apps FPS, which is the frames per second. The last week's called Evil Scheme, and to change default browser, package manager, navigator, and more. So it takes advantage of the URL schemes to allow users to change default apps in which links open. So pretty cool. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. And the last tweet is called Sleep Saver, adds you fully customizable screensavers to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Take back everything.